In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw diagrams in Obsidian. If you take notes in Obsidian and want clean flowcharts or sketches alongside your markdown, this walkthrough will have you drawing in minutes. Start by opening Obsidian on your computer. Once your vault is open, look to the bottom left corner of the app and open Settings. In the menu, find Community Plugins. This is where you can extend Obsidian with third-party tools. You may see a reminder that plugins come from the community. Read it and proceed if you're comfortable. Inside Community Plugins, choose Browse. This opens the catalog. Use the search field to look up Excalidraw. Excalidraw is a popular whiteboard-style drawing tool that integrates directly into your vault, so your diagrams live with your notes. When you see it, select Install and wait for the quick download to finish. After installation, click Enable so the plugin becomes active in your workspace. Return to the main app view and, on the left sidebar, click Excalidraw. This opens a fresh canvas. Think of it as a page where you can drop shapes, add text, and connect ideas. Your drawing file is stored in your vault and saves automatically as you work. On the toolbar, pick a shape to start with. For flowcharts, the rounded rectangle works well for a start node, the standard rectangle represents a process, and the diamond is used for a decision. Click the rounded rectangle, then click or drag on the canvas to place your start. Switch to the text tool or simply start typing to label it Start. Next, choose the rectangle and place a process box nearby. Label it with whatever action you're describing. Then select the diamond and add a decision shape. Keep your shapes spaced with room for arrows. To show the logic, use the arrow or connector tool to draw lines from start to process and from process to decision. If lines overlap, drag their endpoints. Excalidraw snaps neatly to shape edges. You can adjust stroke thickness, colors, and arrowheads from the Properties panel to improve readability. As you iterate, use the Selection tool to move shapes, hold Shift to keep lines straight, and press Ctrl or CMD+D to duplicate elements for consistent sizing. When you're done, your diagram remains linked to your note system and is ready to reference, export, or refine later.